You wouldn't expect a PC with an M.2 SSD to take almost 10 minutes to start up, or be constantly pinned at 100% drive utilization despite almost no data being moved through this drive. But this one is, so what's causing it to be so slow? Well, it all has to do with the fact that this isn't any ordinary M.2 SSD. Rather, an Intel Optane drive. And Intel Optane drives are not like your traditional NVMe SSDs. See, they're more of a hybrid technology. Basically, how Intel Optane works is that drive actually acts as a high-speed cache for the mechanical hard drive installed in the system, giving you more capacity, yet faster speeds when you need to load your most frequent programs. It's a pretty cool technology that Intel came up with when SSDs were super expensive. However, these days, thanks to the fact that high-capacity SSDs have become so affordable, and the fact that this technology never addressed the problem with mechanical hard drives like their wear and tear, Intel actually ended their Optane business a couple years back, which is what's caused this system to become so slow. So we could swap out this mechanical hard drive and keep this Optane drive, but these days, it just makes a lot more sense to go ahead and swap to a brand new SSD. So to go ahead and switch everything over to this new SSD without our customer losing any of their apps or data, we need to clone these drives to this SSD. But Optane actually has a special process for this. We actually first have to turn off the Intel Optane drive by opening up the Intel Optane Memory and Storage Management tool, going over to Intel Optane Memory and clicking Disable. And basically what this does is it flushes all the information that's currently being stored on our caching drive back over to the hard drive, allowing us to swing out this power supply to pull out our Optane drive so we can install this much faster NVMe SSD. Which if now we just plug in this flash drive with a Cronus True image on it and boot to it by pressing F12 on startup, selecting it as our boot option, we can create a one-to-one clone from our mechanical hard drive to our brand new SSD, which will move over not only our customers' files and apps, but the entire Windows operating system. Now that the clone's complete, we can unplug and slide out this degraded hard drive. Turn the system back on, but this time we'll boot from our new drive, which is so much faster than this degraded hard drive that took almost 10 minutes to start up, because instead now we're firing up within seconds. And thanks to that one-to-one clone, the operating system looks the exact same way it did before, just a lot quicker with this new SSD.